So I've finished planting the allotment for winter now, and so I'm just turning my attention to just filling in the odd gaps in the kitchen garden. I thought I'd give you a quick tour around, show you what's going on. Nothing growing in the conservatory at the moment, which is quite nice, saving on the fuel bills. But kitchen garden is looking quite nice still. Taking up all the tomatoes now, we've just got those ripening in the hall, and these have all been replanted now with garlic for harvesting green. There's quite a good supply there, and kitchen gardens looking okay for winter, not much colour, everything's green. So we've got parsnips, we're just starting to harvest these now, and we've got some beetroot. This is the last bed I think in the kitchen garden. It's only little baby beetroots, but that's what happens when you plant late. And I've got some collards there, and I interplanted those with Kale. I do like Kale, it's really nice, but it does go to seed really quickly. So these seed heads are nice to eat though. And I've actually got some that we're going to pick for flowers as well, because the flowers are really beautiful. So then we've got here winter miner's lettuce. It's growing pretty strongly. Quite pleased with that. I interplanted that with salad onions. I've just popped garlic into this bed and garlic into that bed. That bed was radishes, that bed was beetroot. Got some more parsnips there. Got some salad rocket there, which we're picking quite a lot of. It's pretty prolific at this time of year, salad rocket, but by midwinter it's kind of really slows down, so I've got another bed in the polytunnel as well. Continuing on the patio, I've got a few more green garlics, and I've got a lot of chili peppers outside still, and they're still ripening off quite nicely, so I'm just going to leave these few on the patio. They're pretty good. And then down here, some more chili peppers, some more winter miner's lettuce. This stuff is ready actually now for harvest. Column salad down here. It's a bit more slower growing than the other bed, but the other bed's in the sun. And the kale, and this is what I meant about the kale. So pretty, isn't it? It is a really nice flower, and we're picking that tonight actually for our dinner party. So we saved that one, and this is the kale. It's so nice. Look at the leaves on that, really lovely. As I said, but it's kind of a short-lived harvest, but it's quick. It's really good. And yeah, just loads of kale. I'm not really harvesting this at the moment because I want it to be as strong as possible over winter for a good harvest in spring. And yeah, some more, well not more, but these are little cabbages, spring cabbages, and more kales interplanted with what are they? Turnips. Most of my turnips on the allotment though now, and some more parsnips. So that is pretty much it for the veg, apart from this little bed here of corn salad, again interplanted with salad onions, and another bed of corn salad interplanted with salad onions. And these salad onions looking really nice actually. They're a purple variety called Leela. You can see the purple down there. But yeah, I just think they're a couple of months away from harvest, but they're still looking really nice. I've just got some cauliflowers down there, and they're only small, but they're growing okay. We'll probably be harvesting these in a couple of weeks, and then I'll get this replanted, probably with something like field beans. There's nothing else going on. Raspberries are all cut back. Just got a few blueberries left, and they're actually really good. I was really surprised because I didn't realise that I'd got such a late variety of blueberries. But, a bit tart at this time of year, but it's still really nice. And strawberries. So that's it for the back garden. Actually it's not. I've got these lettuces in hanging baskets, and these are doing really nicely. Much better than the lettuces that I've got on the ground. I don't know why. Maybe it's just that these are better drained, or higher up and more light, I don't know. Quite pleased with those. I've got some more hanging basket lettuces in the polytunnel for a harvest in winter. On the drive we've still got loads of potatoes just left in the compost, and we always leave them in the compost until we want to harvest them. Should be enough here till May. And then in the front garden, still a decent amount actually, more than we had last year. I think we've done a better job. Got loads of kale, good crop of beetroot, and all these red cabbages down here, really good size. Just there, celeriac and celery. We'll be harvesting that soon because we've got loads of celery now in the polytunnel for winter and spring. So, hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.